All right, my goal here is to take a Hyte Y60 and convert it into a horizontal GPU rather than a vertical GPU case, because I need to fit multiple cards in there and they don't quite fit. So I have remixed this mod, which should allow me to support the full array of PCIe Express lanes, but in a regular horizontal fashion. This is available on printables, this design, and I just printed it in PLA. Okay, so now I want to kind of sand down, clean up those edges so they're not sharp like that. Okay, so now we've got our entire opening there and ready to go. This will be able to come up here. There are little holes in the print, which means you should be able to drill right through those holes as a pattern to get it in the right spot. Okay, so it's looking pretty good. It's on in place. It's on there really firm. And let's go ahead and queue up some GPUs. I'll be blowing all of this dust out of here before I do anything else, vacuum it all out and blow it out so we don't get any metal shavings anywhere. Okay, so another thing you'll want to do is make sure that this top piece is entirely clear. I had to cut this after the fact, which was not fun, but I managed to make it look okay. Okay, so it definitely works. Pairing a 4090 with the A6000 is pretty tight no matter what you do. But luckily I'll be kind of underpowering those, undervolting those a little bit, so I don't think it'll be an issue. But yeah, horizontal GPU in the Hyte Y60.